In this video, I will show you how you can unlock bootloader of most of Android devices running on MTK chipset. If this method is not working for you, please let me know in the comment section or on my Instagram. I will try to find another method for unlocking bootloader. And I am trying to unlock bootloader of Infinix Hot 8 Lite. Its model number is X650. It is running on Android 8.1.0 Android Oreo. So guys, let's get started. First of all, tap on build number for 7 times. Now go back and you will see a new option called developer options. Open it. Make sure it is on. Click on OK. Scroll down a bit and turn on USB debugging. Click on OK. Now scroll down, now scroll up and also turn on the option called OEM unlocking. So click on enable. Now connect your mobile phone to PC or laptop via data cable. And if it asks for allow USB debugging, so click on the always allow option and click on OK. So allow the USB debugging permission and OK. Click on transfer files. Now your mobile phone drivers will automatically install into your PC or laptop. Now go to your PC or laptop, whatever you have, and you have to download this zip file, ADB fastboot zip file from the link in description. Then extract it and open the folder. Click on the address bar at the top, type cmd and hit enter. So here is the command prompt. Now type command ADB devices and hit enter to make sure your device is connected to ADB server or not. After hitting enter, you will get your device serial number as I have received. So and now type command ADB reboot bootloader and hit enter to reboot your device into bootloader. You can see my device is in fast boot mode. So the bootloader and fast boot mode are same things. So again go to your CMD and type fastboot flashing unlock and hit enter. So as you hit enter, you will receive or you will get this kind of interface on your mobile phone. The design may be different on other devices, but you will get two options of yes and no. If you hit the volume up button, your bootloader will be unlocked, your warranty will be void, and your mobile phone will be reset. And if you hit the volume down button, the bootloader unlocking process will be cancelled and you will be booted into your normal phone. So I have pressed the volume up button and my bootloader has been unlocked. Now I will type command fastboot reboot and hit enter to reboot my device. So the first boot up will take time, and in Infinix devices you will see this kind of error or warning. It is orange state warning, so there is nothing to worry, and the first boot up will take time about 5 minutes because I have told you your device will reset. So let me quickly complete the setup wizard. Now I will go to settings and I will go to about phone. So here I will tap on build number to enable the developer options. I will open it and you can see OEM unlocking option is disabled and it is saying bootloader is already unlocked. So guys, that's all about this video. Thanks for watching. Like this video and subscribe my channel for more cool videos like this.